We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Remo for his generous scholarship support of a Jasans Manila Senior High School student. Your assistance will have and has significantly eased the students' financial burden as we celebrate PW's 105th year, guided by our core values of academic excellence, personal integrity, diversity, service, and an unwavering commitment to our students' growth and well-being. I sincerely hope that our alumni, like Mr. Valenton, and all those present here at this event, and those across the Philippines and overseas, will continue to support your alma mater. Your contributions can make and have made a significant impact in enhancing our facilities, providing scholarships to deserving students, and in participating in outreach programs with our partner communities. The active involvement of our alumni is crucial to upholding our dedication to delivering high-quality, holistic, transformative, and inclusive education to all our stakeholders. On behalf of the PW community, on behalf of the Board of Trustees, thank you very much for being here, and we welcome everybody to this, and we look forward to other events in the future with the community. Thank you very much.
I used to hear about him only from Bill a few years ago, but the first time I was invited to come over to Kul's house, this place, was a surreal and eye-opening experience for me. Being in his company is a very special occasion always. He is the founder and managing director of Kul's Filipino. He was the former vice chairman and head of the arts sector of the Batangas Culture and Arts Council. He was the news correspondent for ABS-CBN KFC News in Germany. While in Europe for so many years, he organized and spearheaded 14 national and 1 international painting competition. He is a member of the International Councils of Museum and is also the curator of several well-known galleries in Europe and here in the Philippines. He is a lecturer, but more than that, he really is a champion for Filipino art. He was a former street parliamentarian, and like I said, a champion of Filipino art and everything Filipino. He is a 3-time presidential awardee for his tireless work in promoting Filipino arts and the Filipino artists. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Filipinism himself, Mr. Virgilio Pino.
Ang yero po, pag inulan, tinakalawang ano ating ginagawa, pinakikilo. And this is visible things making visible. Pero Mr. Valenton, through his artwork, nitong yerong ito ay naging parte ng buhay natin. Why Renoism? This is the way that Mr. Valenton made an importance about the regional contemporary art in connection with cultural heritage. Making intangible things tangible. 3D mixed media is assemblage. Assemblage means assembling found objects, but this is found memories. That is what the revolution is. I salute Mr. Valenton na pinakikita po sa inyo ang kahalagahan ng mga bagay na hindi natin nabigyan ng halaga. Para may paalaala na sa ating lahat na maraming bagay na dapat natin pasalamatan na hindi natin naalaala. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay kayo.
Today's event marks as an important milestone in Remo Valenton's career as he returns with honor to his alma mater, Philippine Women's University, with his one-man show entitled Remoism at this very hall, after more than 4 decades. His passion and dedication to his art remains steadfast in spite of these trying times. Remoism is a form of abstract expressionism. His mastery using bold, vibrant colors and textural effects with the use of metal sheets to convey experiences rather than describe subject. It's an experience that you go through when you view Remo's artwork. The yero, or incorporating metal in his works, is a unique quality of his own. From his days in PWU, Remo has evolved into a trailblazer in contemporary art. In Batangas, Remo's accolades include being featured in prominent art publications such as the Alphabet of Contemporary Artists, Volume 2, published by Sir Lando Blasco's here, and the Art Association of the Philippines AAP book. Noteworthy awards include a Man ng Sining Batangueño, given by Bagsik, and Certificate of Excellence Golden Award from Bagsik. Teaching and promoting art to increase local awareness has been his advocacy. His artistic journey, marked by awards, exhibitions, and leadership roles, reflects a lifelong dedication to pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. He is the founder of Bagsik, as was mentioned earlier. Bagsik is Batangueño Grupo sa Sining at Kultura. It is the first art group in Batangas after 33 years now, and he is the president this year. So selected again as the president to spearhead the so many projects of Batangueño Grupo sa Sining at Kultura. Bagsik is actively involved in various art activities, and he serves as the group's president to this day. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Philippine Women's University's pride and the Batangas pride, Remoism himself, Mr. Remo Valenton.
Nung ako'y nag-aaral dito sa PWU, umuwi ako ng Bustillos dahil doon ako nakatala. Ang yero ko ay nakikita ko lagi sa paligid ko. Tatanggalin sa bubungan, matapos natin pakinabangan na ilang taon na tayo sinisilo niya sa bagyo, sa ulan, sa init. At nakita ko, itong yero ay napakahalaga. Kaya ngayon, ang yero ay binigyan ko ng kulay na dati nasa labas, ibinasa ko sa loob ng bahay para makita natin at pinakanabahan natin, binigyan natin ng halaga. Yun po ang istorya na aking gawa. Ang second one-man show ko nito ay inihandle ko sa aking kasama. Kaya po nakikita nyo na yung ribbon nyo ay violet. Ang ibig sabihin ko, creative cancer awareness. Ito pong masasaksihan nyo na aking mga obra, ito talagang pinagbuhusan ko ng oras, puso at namin. Inabot po yan ng isang taon sa gagawa ko, wala po akong tigil. Tumitigil mo na ako dahil ang kapit nga, kasi kasuhin yung aking misis. Yung pong aking mga pyesa rito, mga obra ay talagang pinagbuhusan ko po yan ng oras. Kahit ang mga fountains na nakikita ko, yung patapon na, binibigyan ko po yan ng halaga. So, maraming salamat po at tayo po sana makita-kita muli sa September 2025 sa Tablado for my third one-man show.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayo sa aking second one-man show dito sa Philippine Women's University, Taft Avenue. Opening po ngayon, September 6 at 4 p.m. Dito po ay bukas hanggang September 13. Dito po yung kaiba-ibang art na makikita nyo dahil ito yung mga bagay na tinatapon na ating binibigyan ng halaga. Kayo po ay hintay ko dito para tayo ay magkita-kita. Maraming salamat po.